Good morning, Platypus class. This is just a very quick video just to explain your spellings because a couple of people asked me how it works with your spellings now that you're at home. So it will work just very similar to what we do in school. So you'll need to have your book, you'll need to get a pencil, and you'll need to get somebody at home to read your spellings out to you. And so, write the date, write 1 to 10, and then get the grown up to, or it could be an older brother or sister, to read your spellings out, write them down, okay, and then you can check them all together, okay? They can help you check them, and then if you would like afterwards, you can share your score with me, okay? It would be great for me to know how you're getting on with your spellings, okay? So find a quiet space, get your book out, and get someone to test you. This should be the first activity that you do in the morning, just like you would at school. Okay, good luck with those spellings and let me know how you got on.